Yo, welcome back, Savages. Back with another banger. Yo, it's been a minute, man. Yo, man, I feel a little bit better, y'all. It's been like 2 weeks since I fractured my rib. Hey, man, y'all like my DGK jacket? I just copped that joint. That joint smacking. Yeah, man. So I went out today. I was like, man, I'm gonna just cruise around a little bit, and then see how I feel. And then it wasn't feeling bad, man. I was actually alright. I was like, cause I've been depressed at the house, y'all. I ain't about to flex, man. So I'm happy to get out the house, man. And I ain't gonna lie, I got some bangers, but I got a stupid one I'm gonna drop on Friday. Y'all make sure y'all check it out, dog. Like, yo, I really went to war with that for like an hour. So I got a banger on Friday. This is switch front nose grind into switch front board. Nice, stupid. I wish I would have did more of the legs. It is what it is, man. But it definitely happened out there. Like, yo. So I got some bangers coming up, man. Y'all peep this out. Make sure you comment. Make sure you, if you are not subscribed, that you do. Hopefully I earn your subscription, man. Deuces, see you.
Nice.
Switch.